This is Saucy from the Stitchin Post, and today I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. So previously we did a slip knot, and then we built our first foundation chain, and so we had 10 chains. And so today I'm going to tell you how to get started on single crochet into these chains. So the first thing with single crochet is you're going to hold your yarn similar to you did when you were chaining, and we're going to skip our first chain in the row. So even though we chain 10, we'll actually end up with 9 stitches. So then what we're going to do with a foundation row, it's always a little bit harder to start out than it is with the rest of the rows. But we're going to go into our chain. So we're underneath these top 2 parts of the chain. So when you push your hook through, it looks like you've got 2 threads going across there, 2 pieces of yarn. And you're going to grab the yarn like we did before, and you're going to pull through. And then you have 2 loops on your chain. You're going to grab your yarn again, pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet. We're ready to go into the next loop. You're going to go in between the 2 so that you've got 2 on top. You're going to grab your yarn and pull through. You've got 2 loops up here on top. You're going to grab your yarn, pull through again. I'll show you one more time. We're going to come into our chain. And we've sort of got, you see how it looks almost like a soft pretzel or something, but we're going to go underneath these 2 bits so that you have 2 yarns on top, and you're going to grab your yarn, pull through that. You have 2 loops on top, and you're going to pull through again, 3 crochet chains. So now you want to do that until you get to the last chain on your foundation row. So I'm going to speed up here and just get us to the end, so then I can show you how to start the second row. And before doing a big project, it's good to just practice chaining and doing your crochet stitches just to see how you need to hold things and get comfortable with your hook and the yarn, and checking your tension. Okay, so we're down to the last 2 stitches now. So we're going into the chain, grabbing the yarn and pull through. 2 loops on the hook, pulling through again. We're on our last one, so we're going to go in there, grab the yarn, pull through. We've got 2 loops on, grab the yarn, pull through again. To start our second row of crochet, since we're doing single crochet, we need to build up the height to be the same for our second row. So you chain 1, and then you flip your yarn over or turn it. So now we're ready to go back across this way, and I just wanted you to see that on the top of your next row, it's slightly different, that your 2 yarns, you're not actually splitting through anything anymore, but you're just going underneath that previous row's crochet. So you're going to go underneath that little V, grab your yarn and pull through. You've got 2 loops on your hook, grab and pull through again, and you've got 1 single crochet made. Look at your next one. You can see on the top there's this little V. We're going to go underneath that, catch both of them, hook through the loop. You've got 2 loops on here, and you're going to grab and pull through. And I'll show you one more time. We're going to go underneath those 2 in the V with our hook, grab the yarn and pull through. We've got 2 loops on. We're going to grab the yarn and pull through. And then you just keep on doing that. So you would go on down to the end of the chain again, or the end of the first row, chain 1, flip it, and you can start back across, and you can go back and forth practicing your single crochet.